transforming a sloped yard into a safe, stylish walkway with stairs, stepping stones, gravel, and landscaping is totally doable with the right tricks. And it makes your outdoor space look next level while keeping everything solid and low maintenance. So, you already got those stairs going and the stepping stone pathway set up, which is awesome because that's honestly the hardest part. If you're looking at those indents on the slope, filling them with good quality topsoil is a smart move. Try to use a mix that drains well so you don't get puddles or erosion after rain. Packing down the dirt as you go helps keep things from shifting later, you know? If those wooden stumps are in the way or could rot and mess up the look, either trim them flush with the ground or yank them out entirely. To make the whole thing pop and keep weeds down, layering that weed barrier tarp under your gravel and white rocks is clutch. For planting, stick with perennial ground covers like creeping thyme or sedum. They'll spread out, help hold the soil together, and come back every year without you having to replant. Mulch is perfect for locking in moisture and making everything look finished. Just make sure you put down a thick enough layer so weeds don't sneak through. If you want a little more structure, edging the path with stones or metal edging keeps your rocks and mulch from sliding down the slope over time. One of the most common mistakes when building a sloped path with stepping stones and landscaping is not leveling or packing down the soil enough before adding gravel and rocks, which can cause everything to shift or sink after rain. Always tamp down each layer really well for a sturdy base. Another issue people run into is not choosing the right plants for slopes. If you pick shallow, rooted, or annual plants instead of perennials like creeping juniper or ornamental grasses, you risk erosion and have to replant every year, so always go for deep-rooted perennials that can handle some slope drama. The third big mess-up is skipping proper drainage. If water can't flow away from the stairs and stones, it'll wash out your path or make it slippery. So angle your pathway slightly and use gravel along the sides to keep things dry and safe. BigHomeProjects.com is a total game changer for homeowners who need to find reliable local contractors for jobs like landscaping or hardscaping, since it connects you directly to people with real reviews and proven track records. For contractors, it's the easiest way to get matched with homeowners in your area who need work done, so everyone wins.